I'm ashamed that he wore the same uniform that I did for so many years.
Ryan Verna, a retired LAPD homicide detective, is talking about LA County District Attorney George Gascon, whose office is handling his father's murder case. Ryan's father, LAPD motor officer Paul Verna, was shot and killed in the line of duty in 1983 during a traffic stop. Ryan says he recently got a call from the DA's office about one of the men convicted for the murder.
He basically told me that he's going to have to go into court and argue to dismiss the special circumstances in furtherance of justice. My question is, what justice is that?
Verna is not alone in opposition to Gascon's special directives. Upon taking office, the district attorney announced that prosecutors would no longer pursue the death penalty, try juveniles as adults, seek cash bail for misdemeanor and nonviolent crimes, or add gang and other enhancements to criminal complaints. Verna's biggest fear is what this will mean in the case of his father's killer.
And ultimately, he's going to figure out a way to either A, plead it out, and it'll be a time served type situation, or B, just dismiss it.
DA Gascon later amended his directive by allowing some sentencing enhancements in cases like hate crimes and crimes against children and the elderly. But the union representing LA County prosecutors say that's not enough. They filed a civil lawsuit saying Gascon's moves violate state law.
So we want a judge to tell us, look, either tell us to follow the law or tell us to follow the directives, but we can't do both.
Michelle Hannessy is the president of the Association of Deputy District Attorneys. She says they now have the support of the California District Attorneys Association.
So it's really hard to tell a victim of crime, hey, we're not going to seek the maximum punishment. We're going to seek far less punishment than what is required by the law. We're not even going to follow the law, because these policy directives say that we have to give every benefit to the person who victimized you.
The district attorney's office sent us a statement in response to the lawsuit. Their vision of safety has been rejected by the voters time and time again because their approach has not been shown to enhance safety, but has been shown to destroy budgets, create enormous racial disparities, and exacerbate homelessness and recidivism rates that have led to more victims of crime. Rachel Kim, KCAL 9 News.